So hi students, today we start with the topic that is packing efficiency. We going through the chapter that is solid state. Okay. So before going to the topic packing efficiency, we have discussed the types of unit cell. In types of unit cell, simple cubic cell occupy one atom, and that one atom occupy 52.3% space of the unit cell. In BCC, body-centered cubic structure, two atom is present, and that two atom occupy 68% of a unit cell. FCC consists of four atoms, and that four atom occupy 74% volume of the unit cell. So we will derive some derivation that is called as packing efficiency. How this percentage came? But as per the syllabus, we will discuss only simple cubic cell and body-centered cubic structure. Face-centered cubic structure has been deleted from the chapter for this year. The first one is a simple cubic cell. So in simple cubic cells, atoms are present at the 8 corners. Yes, atoms are present at the 8 corners, and I drawn here front face. In front face, the atoms are at the 4 corners. So suppose h length of unit cell is equal to A, and radius of sphere is equal to R. Since sphere touches each other on edge, sphere touches each other on the edge, so this is the h length, nothing but a, and the radius R, so a value will be 2R. A is equal to 2R. Number of atom in simple cubic cell is equal to 1. How? Because 8 corners contribute 1 by 8 equal to 1. Next, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. So here in simple cubic cell, one atom is present. So volume of sphere form the 4 by 3 pi r cube. So when one atom is present, so total volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of unit cell is equal to A whole cube. So what is the value of A? That is 2R whole cube, that is AR cube. Yes. So volume of unit cell formula A cube. We got the A value, that is 2R. Substituting the value of 2R whole cube 8R cube. Now we have to calculate the packing efficiency. We have to calculate the packing efficiency, means one atom in a simple cubic cell occupy 52.3% of space. So for that, we using the formula volume of sphere, or we can write total volume of sphere, okay, upon volume of unit cell into 100. So what is the value of volume of sphere? Volume of sphere value, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon volume of unit cell, that is 8 r cube into 100. So after calculating this, we get the 52.3%. Means one atom in a simple cubic cell occupy 52.3% of space. Okay. So now next we will calculate the packing efficiency of body centered cubic structure, that is BCC. Now here in body centered cubic structure, atoms are present at the 8 corners, yes, and one atom is present at the center. Atoms are present at the corners and one atom at the center. Okay. So once again same points. Suppose H length is equal to A and radius of sphere is equal to R. Number of atom in BCC is equal to 2. Yes, how? 8 corners contributes 1 by 8, which is equal to 1, and one complete atom is present at the center. Now, in triangle ABC, suppose I have taken this is a A, this is a B, this is a C. Okay, this triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is equal to BC square is equal to AC square. What is AB? That is H length A. What is BC? That is H length A. So here A square plus A square, which is equal to 2A square. Okay, A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Same here in triangle ADC. Suppose I taken this one. I make a diagonal. This is the front face sphere. This is the middle center sphere and the last face corner sphere. Okay. In triangle ABC, once again by using Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. What is AC square? That is 2A square. CD square is nothing but a H. A square is equal to 3A square. So AD square is equal to 3A square. Taking square root on both the sides, we will get AD is equal to root 3A. Now, since sphere touches diagonally, to each other, if I increase the size like this is a front face sphere, this is the middle sphere and this is the corner sphere. They touches each other like this. Okay, so this is the A, this is a D and this is a C. So here this sphere has a radius R, this has 2R and this sphere has a R. So I can say that AD is equal to 4R, R plus 2R plus R, that is 4R. If AD is equal to 4R, so AD is equal to root 3A, so both are equal. So we can write here root 3A is equal to 4R. So A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Yes, A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Now, volume of sphere is equal to, so in case of BCC, there are 2 sphere or 2 atoms, so we will 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 8 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of unit cell is equal to A whole cube. What is the value of A? That is 4R upon root 3 equal to cube root of 4 that is 64 r cube upon cube of root 3 will be 3 root 3. Okay. Now we have to calculate the packing efficiency. We use a formula. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell is equal to 100. Okay. So volume of sphere is 8 by 3 pi r cube upon volume of unit cell 64 r cube upon 3 root 3. Okay. Multiply by 100. So after calculating this, we get 74% of space. Okay. Means the two atom in a BCC occupy 74% of space. So this is the packing efficiency of simple and BCC.